What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're gonna go over why I love day trading, why sometimes 1 hour for your whole week can be done after 1 hour, and that's what we got today. It's Monday. The weekend just ended. It can be done. Now, I'm still gonna trade live every day, so don't worry, I'm not done, but I'm just saying I could theoretically just be done. And if you do want to trade live with me and catch trades like I'm gonna show you today, make sure you use code 39 at checkout if you're a new member. And let's dive straight into this, guys. It was a beautiful day, but it didn't start off that way. We took a 4-point loss, a small loss, but a loss nonetheless on ES. We wanted to look for shorts, and I really liked shorts going to the day. In the stream, I literally said, guys, we're more likely going to push until 10:30, then reverse down the whole move more than likely, guys. And I was so confident about this that I took it both on NQ and on ES. I was very shy. It was $9,570 I made on the day. And now on the account that we started with $30,000, I'm all the way up to $172,361. That includes about $21,000 that we took of payouts of $5,000 and $18,000 payout within the month and a half. Hey, not too shabby. I'll do an update, I think, once I get to 200,000 on that account. I do have also some Express accounts I passed with Top Step last week. I forgot to trade them, unfortunately, today. So those are not doing anything. But I like the shorts. And why do I like the shorts? Well, first we had a sell-off Sunday into Monday. And then Monday, we had a nice pump to the upside. Guys, on these NQ charts, look at this. This was very, very strong. We kept bouncing where? On the overall golden pocket. So the golden pocket was the bottom, and we bounced all the way up. Price was extremely strong. We had no news. Once we passed this 430 area, I said more than likely we're going to hit the previous day and the Friday. This was the Friday high, guys. And we souped above the Friday high. So we marked this Friday high. Right? So look, this is the high on Friday that we souped over. So I was looking for the potential reversals to happen there. And the previous day close on yes was weaker, right? So we had an overall divergence on the larger time frames. If you look at this 4 hour, right, we see this. We tapped right into this 4 hour halfway of the fair value gap. So we had this was the Friday high on NQ. The Friday high got taken, showing us a bearish divergence. Then key area. Well, why is it a key area? Yes was at previous day close, that's the dotted line, as well as the 4 hour fair value gap, right? And look where NQ closed. NQ ended up closing actually the 4 hour fair value gap under it. So I need to know. So then we look for the entry in the 5 minute and the 1 minute. Again, I try to take a short at this area right here earlier with a stop right here about 4 points, because NQ was about to hit the Friday high. I thought maybe we'll undershoot the previous day on ES. Didn't work out. I got stopped out, 4-point loss. I literally said to go in small because it's not the highest quality of setups. And then we just waited. We waited for price to show us confirmation to enter a short position. It's all it is, guys. Large time frame ideas. In this case, soup the Friday high, or soup reversal. 10 to 10:30 a.m. reversal. This case was nearly at 10:30 a.m. right here. So it was a little bit later, but no news, whatever. Happened a little slower. And the bearish SMT divergence, really clean. What was I really looking for? My entry for NQ was this close under this 1 minute fair value gap. There could have been also this earlier entry which I'd missed because I took ES first at 533. And I was using the Friday high as my stop on this trade. So about a 20-point stop, targeting all the way that right here, main PT down here. This is the main PT, and I thought this was the area that if we flip, we kept selling. And actually, I said when we had this rebound, I said, hey, hold it. As long as we're closing under this, we're going to come to the GP, which we did. Then we got a bullish divergence at the lows. And, yes, still super weak, guys. It's still sitting under this lows from the pre-market. Well, NQ is much above, so I do expect us to keep selling. But that was my full TP for the yes trade, right? And yet it was this new low day. And with the yes trade, again, similar to NQ, looked for that 1 minute, this previous 1 minute inversion fail, which he failed. You can see he even retested it here. So that was our entry with a stop loss roughly about 4 points. Again, main PT down here, a little PT here, full TP here, about 20 points, guys, and that's a banger. I know a banger. You guys know what I mean? I know a banger, and that's a banger. You know what I'm saying? That's what this was. Guys, and it all comes down to this. Like, you gotta have your larger time frame ideas. If you want to catch reversals, if you don't want to be the dude that gets clapped, turn up short every high, long every bottom, because you think you know reversals. You don't know reversals. I know reversals. If there's a good reversal trader out there, it's me and the other two people, myself and I. That's the 3 people that know reversals. And shout out to our head trader Don, him as well. And this is how you catch them. Large time frame ideas, wait for the small time frame confirmation. But you gotta have the key areas, guys. If you do not have key areas marked out, you don't know if it's a real large time frame idea. And to confirm sellers are there, that's why you get your smaller time frame confirmation. A lot of people just mark out one or the other. While some people just wait for the small time frame confirmation, but it's not a key area. And it's a fake out. It's a liquidity grab to keep pushing price to the opposite side. It targets internal liquidity, right? So whenever you, like, just because price goes up doesn't mean to go down, right? For example, here, say somebody sees this candle, oh, previous day rejection, let me take a short. Dude, look at the larger time frame. Look at the small time frame. This is a continuation higher, because this is your equal highs. The price is flipped. And unless you fail those, you're going to continue higher. So boom, clapped. Right? So if you shorted those equal highs, you got clapped for a reason. Same here, when you first took him out, the first time around, came down, it hit, I believe it was a 5-minute FVG that we have flipped or something like that, and then boom, boomed. So you do have to watch out for all those things, guys. You do have to watch out for all those things. Again, now price is rejecting kind of those equal highs and this larger time frame for value gap that's sitting all the way to the top, 470. Again, yes, super weak, so more than likely we'll probably see lower. But guys, you see this every day. Like, most of my trade recaps are pretty similar trades. At this point, you should be trying to see what I'm showing you. If you haven't watched it, I have hundreds of trade recaps. It's always the same formula, right? Which I just explained to you. So all you have to do is start seeing it. And how can you see it? The way you do it is not by going out. I know you went out this weekend, dude. Saturday night, Friday night, partying, wasting a little McDonald's paycheck on some fucking bottles. You're not Malone. Malone was him. That's somebody that was him. I wish I was a Malone, dude. A couple months of partying, I think it's probably worth lifetime in jail is going to do. I don't know. But you got to spend that extra time back testing it, reviewing it, and then forward testing. If you know what forward testing is, just means you live market and you take pretty much paper trades on it. You don't have to fully go in on it. And study the trades that go well. Why did the trade go well? Guys, these trades never sudden drawdown. And the best setups are not going to give you drawdown. If you had to sit through a ton of drawdown for a trade, even if it plays out, there was something wrong with that trade. And you got to go back test and see, hey, what was wrong with that trade? And I'm telling you guys, the devil's in the details. Was that a saying from Lil Wayne, one of the greatest poets of American history? Sir Lil Wayne, you know, the English guy Shakespeare. We have somebody much better. Sir Lil Wayne the fourth, I think he is, or the third. Maybe I'm tripping. I don't know what I'm on today. I had a coffee, and I had to go use the bathroom like 3 times. Regardless. Back test, forward test, join the group to learn, code 39 if you're new, that's the number 39, join the group, get good at trading, and then you can be done with the whole week in 1 hour sometimes. Be done. Go to the gym, do whatever. Actually, I had a pinched nerve on Sunday, I don't know. This is how you know you're getting old, guys. You randomly wake up, pinched nerve in the back. Why? Fucking no, I don't even know. But I'm still going to hit the gym today. Shit still hurts. I'm going to see if I should be able to do arms hopefully or something. I'll see how that goes. If you got a recommendation, leave it down below. If you like this video, if you like the trade recaps, if you like me, how I look, shaved my beard a little bit today. Also, I with second episode of Behind the Charts, we're filming it today. Leave any suggestions down below. As always, peace out, boys. See you later. And I hope you like new audio. Tell me I raised it, so don't get mad at me about the audio anymore.